So it's been well past 21 days. I'm aware, I know you're aware, so let's just get into this review. But first, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole Charnell. I'd love for you to become a part of the fam, so make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave and that bell so you can get notified when I make new videos. And if you're an old subby, hey girl, how you doing? So yeah, 21-day challenge. I started the 21-day challenge for BrittneBabe. I started it from BrittneBabe in April. The first week of April, I believe. Yeah, I believe it was the first week of April. If you haven't seen that video for this year when I did the challenge, you can tap the eye right here. I also did the challenge last year, and you can find that in the eye above as well where I did that challenge. But this year, it was a little bit different. I was a little bit further in my journey, much closer to my goal weight and the goal look I was going for. And I had already done the challenge one time before, so I knew kind of what to expect. I'm not going to talk really about what is in the challenge. I talk a lot about that in the first video. What I'm going to talk about is the review, and my results, how it changed my body, and really how it's kind of changed my fitness life overall. So, let's just start with, I sort of completed the challenge. I did the 21 days. I did work out and I did eat right for those 21 days. So that was super great. My body definitely did change. I'll show you at the end of this video what my body looked like. My body did change a little bit and my weight still did go down. So I didn't gain weight. I did lose a little bit of weight. I did not gain a lot of definition, but I kept my overall look. I have lost enough weight for people are starting to notice, and one of the things I have been getting lately is,
you lost enough weight, you don't need to lose any more weight. Are you losing any more weight? Because you look good right now.
Type of thing, which is all well and fine. My thing is really how I want to look in a swimsuit or less clothed, which sounds kind of weird, but I mean more of your body is showing off when you're in a swimsuit, so you want those parts to look good, if you know what I mean. I am super close to my goal weight. I'm about 8 pounds away from it at my lowest. So my weight kind of fluctuates, as any woman's weight does, because we have menstruals, our weight goes up, it goes down, stuff like that. So at my lowest, I'm actually 168. So I want to be 160. So that's 8 pounds away. I feel like I'm kind of at a plateau, but I'm going to do another keto video to talk about that because I've been kind of researching keto plateaus and things like that. I also maybe feel like I'm at a plateau because I don't do a lot of cardio, and this kind of gets me into the BrittneBabe 21-day review of the challenge. The challenge is great. It gives so much information. The workouts are amazing. You really burn the calories. You burn the fat. The meal plan's amazing. It gives so many options, so many things you should eat, tells you what you should not eat, all that jazz. It's really informative and it gives really good information. It's there for you to lose weight for sure. The downside to this, which I did not remember, sorry if the sun is going down or something, or behind a cloud, it just got kind of dark. The downside is the workouts are an hour long. The workout itself, hour long, hour to hour and 10 minutes. Especially to do target area workouts. So it could be leg day and then you do the 21-minute HIIT along with it, or so you do cardio as well. And then some days where you just do the cardio, so that's 21 minutes. There's days where you do both, and those workouts are 40 to 45 minutes long. So the 40 minutes on top of the 20 minutes, that's an hour, and then the time it takes you to change your clothes, get in the shower, all that. Now you may be saying, oh, that's not a big deal, you gotta get in the shower anyway, you gotta change your clothes anyway. It's a big deal for me because number one, I'm a mom. So my time is super limited, my just me time. The time I have to do exercising, the time I have to make a video, all of that. It's super limited. So I have to be mindful of that, and I have to plan accordingly. If I wanted to work out every day, I only have like a 2-hour slot to work out in. If it takes me an hour and a half to do that, that leaves only an hour and a half for me to get something to eat, rest, and then I'm right back to parenting. One small slip up in that time frame and it's just blown out the water. I can't exercise. I can't do that exercise, basically the BrittneBabe exercise, because it takes so long. It takes a whole hour, and I just didn't have that time. Like, the closer I got to the 21 days, I was just like, I can't do this anymore. Like, it just takes so much of my time. And like I said, as a mom, and I work part-time as well, it was a struggle for me. And then it kind of made me realize what I want to do with my fitness journey. So before I move on to that, I would just like to say I definitely recommend the 21-day fitness challenge. There's support in the group. There's people to talk to, people that look like you, people that are doing the same thing you're doing, trying to get to a goal, trying to lose weight, trying to slim down, trying to tone up. You know, it's so much community going on in that group. It's super motivating, and it keeps you on task, and it keeps you focused. You know, as long as you go into the group like to get the motivation is definitely there. As well as her Instagram, you know, she's always on there with workout videos, always on there with encouragement. So that's really good for a challenge. So the last part I want to talk about is how my fitness journey has changed because of this challenge. It just kind of made me realize that I don't really have the time to build my body as quickly as I want to, you know, the way I want it to be. Like, the people who have sculpt arms and sculpt legs and sculpt stomach, they spend a lot of time in the gym, and that is their, you know, their free time is the time they're spending in the gym. So even if they have a full-time job, then their free time is spent in the gym, and they probably don't have kids. They probably don't have a husband. Not saying there's anything wrong with that, or if they do have kids or a husband, that's great. It's just with the way my schedule is and the way it's set up, though, that 2 hour of time that I have to do those things that I want to do, or to do things that are productive for me trying to move forward, or to deal with my children, or just the 2 hour me time, it's just not enough for me to be able to sculpt my body the way I want to. So this challenge made me realize I have to change my fitness plan. Basically, I have to revamp the whole situation. So I've been thinking about it, jotting down ideas of like what I want to do and how I want to revamp it. I know that I have to keep it at 30 minutes. Like, 30 minutes is just all I can give. 30 minutes for the workout, of course, and then, you know, the shower and changing is all outside of that. An hour is the max. You know, that's just all I can give. I don't want to just do cardio. I know I want to do things with sculpting and lifting and squats and things like that. So that's important as well. I realized that as well as I was doing the challenge. Like I said, I really like the videos. I liked how she had them set out. I liked the workouts. And I do see myself going back and using them again. It's just doing an hour-long workout is just not for me. It's just not cut out. Like, my lifestyle isn't good for that type of workout. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the clip of how my body has changed, and, you know, just kind of compare the difference for you so you guys can see. So this update is super informal, as I've already told you what's going on, but I'm just going to show you my body and then we shall talk. So this is what I'm looking like. I had 2 C-sections, that's why I have like extra area here, like extra skin. Yeah, that's just real. But do we see these lines? Like, do we see the definition of the stomach here? Yeah, guys. Yeah, but like, it's like I have a lot of extra skin right here. Like, that's not cute. But anyway, this is what my body looks like. Yeah, this is what we're looking like. I didn't even take a after picture and submit it, but the video will explain all of that, you know, why I didn't. But yeah, so like, you can't really see, but I do have like some definition here in my abs area, but I still like my extra skin. But anyway, let's chat. So that's it, guys. Once again, I definitely recommend this challenge. If you haven't done it and you're interested in it, definitely for sure just do it. Check it out. I'll leave a link down below right to her website where you can sign up for her next challenge. She has challenges all the time now. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you haven't subscribed, you can tap my face right above to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to check out my last video, you can check it out right over here. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.